Assalamu alaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here. I have here with me the Furibee X215 Pro FPV racing quadcopter. Since we moved back, it's been a while that I flew an FPV racing quadcopter. So I'm not very much confident. I have to get my skills back. Anyways, so this is the Furibee X215 Pro. I'm gonna fly line of sight first, and then depending on how things go, if I don't crash it, don't break it, we are going to enjoy some FPV with this. This also came with a run cam or a GoPro Session type of camera mount, which is a kind of soft plastic. So I have my run cam 3, I believe, with me, and I can easily mount it and fly it with the run cam after the line of sight flight is done, and I am a bit more confident with quadcopters. Let's put it in action and see what it will do. Wow. It takes off on only this throttle and climbs up. Check it out. That's some serious power we are talking about here, huh? Let me just get used to flying. Man, this throttle response is just superb. I mean, there's just way too much. I'm like on 35 or 30% throttle, and it's already hovering and flying around. Sweet. I need to add a beeper to it. Man, this thing is gonna rip some sweet speeds. I'm gonna land because there are some kids running behind me. Once they're gone, then I'll fly it again. Alright, kids moved away a bit. We can fly now. Gotta be safe. Right, once again, here, let me check some flight modes. I put the flight modes here, maybe. Yes. Alright, now I am in FPV angle mix. So it seems like it's mixing a bit of yaw together with the roll. Awesome. By the way, I downloaded the very brand new beta flight, so I'm having some strange behavior. I gotta used to that thing. Anyway, so this is this. Wow, now we have much more angle. I gotta be a lot careful with this. Okay, time to check the punch. That was like 60% or below throttle. Awesome. I am being very careful, as I mentioned that I am really out of practice. So I have to be careful not to destroy this thing. Man, this is just 50-60% throttle. I am scared to go full throttle actually. Woo! Awesome. Can't wait to do FPV on it, man. What a sweet machine, man. Gotta get my stick time on it and get back to some FPV flying, huh? FPV freestyling here. Gotta stay away from that big drink right here. Right, back to angle mode. I am running a 1500 milliamp new 4S batteries. Man, this is sweet machine. Alright, let me land it. And as I said, get my confidence back, and then we can get back to FPV. One moment, I might crash it, but hey, worth a try. Yeah, I did a roll there. Alright, my PIDs, I left them all total stock, what it came with, and they look really nice. As I said, I'm being very careful, flying like a grandpa. It's just because I'm out of practice and I don't want to make mistakes, because we are flying right before a big drink right there. Woo! I'm loving the punch on this baby. Man, this thing is fast, huh? Let's not tease the battery too much. Let's check how much battery left. Awesome! Fast! It's very fast, right? Baba have to check the FPV on it. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.